Oh, there it is.
Where?
We're here.
Oh, can't wait to get up there. Hey, and welcome back to another episode of
What to do?
What to Do. Today we are at Natural Bridge in Kentucky, and let me tell you, I didn't realize Kentucky had neat things like this. This is almost Western kind of stuff here. As you can see, Will here is trying to fix the drone because we're going to show you some epic drone shots.
Cool.
Another thing to note that may not be Western-like, people here are very friendly. I think we've talked to like a bunch of people. So if you want a really cool view with really friendly people and you're more of an extrovert, come to Natural Bridge. Saying this stuff quietly because there's people around me and they might think it's weird that I'm talking about them and I don't even know them. That's Natural Bridge. Here we go.
This doesn't look like a natural bridge.
Looks like a forest. Okay.
Looks man-made to me.
To the sky lift. For the trail we took, you're going to want to go where the Hemlock Lodge is located. You'll have plenty of parking there. You'll then walk past the lodge to the trailhead. Dang it! Dang it! What? I can't have any of these things? Oh, we are allowed to carry sticks and scratch our back at the same time. Decided to go on the shortest and easiest route to Natural Bridge, which is only half a mile. But if you want to get even shorter and even easier, you can go on a ski lift.
Yeah, we saw a billboard for it.
That's for lazy people like me.
Or you can ride a bear.
Oh yes, that's always an option too. It's a little more dangerous, but it's always an option. This is a continuation of nice people. We were talking to a few people just a second ago who went on a 0.7 mile hike to get here, and they said it was awful. So we recommend going on the 0.5 mile hike that we went on. So good job, Will. We chose the right one.
It's kind of unique that it has all this history along the trail. If only I read.
This is actually half a mile uphill. Which you all know I love stairs. They're my favorite thing in the entire planet. They lift me higher and higher. They give me a real high.
No.
Of course, there were some other really unique things on this trail, like something that looked like the head of a cave. But I intentionally didn't put this in the video so that I don't spoil it for you when you come. We hear a drone. Someone stole our idea.
Yeah. Bummer.
Losers. You see that little arch? Wow. The rocks around it are really neat too.
Yeah.
You can see someone's feet up there. We came across some cute people and they said this was the hardest part. Okay, I'm gonna go up. It is kind of scary with the sand on the stairs. This part of the hike is actually called Fat Man's Squeeze. Yeah, it's even tight for average sized me. Wondering what it looks like on the top? This is what it looks like. Just looks like a straight hike. But if you turn to the right or left, you'll probably fall off.
So don't do that.
So please don't do that because...
That's why you have to walk the straight and narrow.
There you go.
Bible lessons everywhere.
So although it looks really tempting to sit right here, I don't know if it's a really good idea because it's like a huge drop off. It doesn't really look like it from here, but one step and you fall down. Something to note, most of the people with children are freaking out because this is a very real and some of the kids are obedient and some of them are not. So if you have disobedient children who don't want to obey you and stay close to you, this may not be a great place to take them.
Honey, what do you think?
I thought you were going to take a picture.
What do you think though?
It's really cool. Look at that view right there. Although I can't really see the Natural Bridge because I'm on it, so.
Oh, you get to experience it.
Yeah, I was hoping to see it though, was the thing.
We just saw it.
Well, maybe our drone can see it.
What a novel idea.
Let's try it out. Your drone breaks, you have to repair it. Will's my handyman.
I hope.
Here are the crickets. I hope that we can get this sucker flying before the crickets start getting more crickety.
Yeah, we wouldn't want them ruining the audio.
Or the sunlight. It's stupid crickets.
Sound like
Here's hoping. Woohoo! Here we go. Here's some awesome drone shots coming at you. I'm gonna pause this video and ask you as our friends to put a giant like on this video because it'll help us out a whole lot. And also, if you really like this, hit that subscribe button because that'll also help us out and we can make more videos like this.
You want to see more drones? Click the subscribe button.
Unbroken drones?
No, don't say that.
I said unbroken.
Oh, yeah, say that.
Natural Bridge was officially established as a state park in 1926. The bridge itself is sandstone and is 30 feet wide, 78 feet long, and 65 feet tall. The view from Natural Bridge shows Battleship Rock, which is a short hike from the top of the bridge, or in our case, a short flight. The park that Natural Bridge is part of spans a total of 2,300 acres and it neighbors Daniel Boone National Forest. If the 0.5-mile hike is not enough hiking for you, there are over 20 miles of hiking areas for you to explore.
Y'all see that brown basket there? That's a picnic basket. Kelly knew we were going on a picnic, but she didn't know I had a surprise. What do you think?
Oh, you got my skirt.
Yeah, just throw it on top. Yeah, because you're wearing black. Ow, ow. Look at us. Cutie tootie.